guys, today we're doing a Christmas stocking switcher challenge. Y'all know how it works, so we can just skip over the questions and start rock, paper, scissors. So 3, 2, 1, 0, and we're about to rock, paper, scissors. So yeah, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, we only get 3 rounds, no 2. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes, guys, I win 2 times. So, guys, he has to go in the playroom, not in that closet, but in the playroom. Whoa. He has to go in there, and then I'm gonna be like really, really fast. Our challenge is to see who can be the fastest. Who can be the fastest? So yeah. Okay, guys, I might just start this video. So yeah. Hope y'all like it. It has a little purple bracelet and has an LOL change of color lip balm down there. So I want to just put it in there. Oh God, sorry. So I hope it works. Next, I'm gonna get like this little container. And I got the LOL. The little color thing. I like it. No, I'm almost. I just need to find one more day. Wait, I need to find one more day that I'm looking for. Okay, I'm almost done. Let me just put it in. No. I'm almost. Hold up. Okay, guys, I got the pink one and the purple. If y'all can't see here, here's the LOL. No, almost. I'm almost. Since you think I'm so slow, you better be faster than me. Stop cheating. Guys, hold on, this is so complicated to put in. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna close it like a baby proof. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be like, do you want to keep it or switch it? And it's his choice to pick it. Guys, I might just take my phone off the charger. So yeah, I'm gonna put it that way. So I'm like, do you want to keep? You can come in. You can come in. Sit right here. Let me fix the camera. Okay, do you want to keep it or switch it?
I want to.
You can't feel it. You want to keep it or switch it?
I don't want to. Which I should have just keep it.
I don't know which one is it. Or did I want this one? But this one is good. I really wanted that one though. So yeah, guys, he got the LOL lip balm, change the color lip color, and the pink blue bracelet. So yeah, I got the color pink in my favorite color is pink. That's love. But like I said, I got berry cherry LOL. Flavor scented thing, and we can dye the doll's hair with it. And I got blueberry that we can dye the doll's hair with. Okay.
But you didn't really try to use.
I put mine over here.
We're about to use. No, I ain't gonna use none.
Yeah, cause you're a little boy. But you can use a little bit. It's just like chapstick. It's just like chapstick. Here, your toys go. You're going to put it right there. Guys, now it's my turn to get out. He has to do it. He has to see if he's faster than me. So, yeah. You said it took a long time because, like, I had to look for it. Like? Nothing. I had to look for it, guys, and then I had to wrap it up in that diaper. It was so hard. Like, oh, it was so hard.
I know what I'm going to do. done. Told you I would beat you, John. Told you I would be better than you. Okay, but you want to keep it or switch it?
I really want to switch it.
You do?
Mhm.
No.
Guys, I got the flute.
I got this stupid thing, you guys.
Guys, so that was really fun. Now, Winnie, you gotta get out. Bye-bye. Close the door. I'm gonna be really fast. I'm done, Winnie. You gotta wait. Get out.
Told you was gonna go.
You gotta wait, Bill. Oh my God.
I went.
Stop feeling stuff. Didn't want to keep it switching.
Keep it.
Guys, I got the perfume glitter spray. I'm very, very happy that I got it. Only use a little bit of
God,
it.
Nick, what is this?
Like literally.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
I got the sweet pea, and he has the what you call. See, it's like the same. He has the sweet pea too. It's just this foaming sugar scrub, Bath and Body Works. This is from Bath and Body Works. Y'all comment down below if y'all like Bath and Body Works, because I know I do. Guys, now it's my turn to get out. Guys, mine's like 5 seconds. I do mine in 5 seconds. Winnie, you turn.
See if I can beat that. Starting. Right.
No, you don't.
Bert, I'm done.
Okay, I'll actually do that.
No, you didn't.
I had mine like 5 seconds.
No, it was.
I just waited like a couple. I wanted to keep
Which one you want?
this one.
Yeah. You got me.
Yes, got it.
I
What
got
this called? What is this?
Wasp.
Guys, I got wasps from Marvel people. So yeah.
And I got this cute little penguin.
Guys, like I really wanted that thing. Get out! Get out!
Get out!
Out! Let me see. Dang. It's so cute. Weenie, now it's your turn to get out. Big Mama, get out!
No!
Weenie! Weenie! Shut up, dinosaur!
I gotta get out and
Yeah, I know, get out. And don't get no more cookies, I'm telling you. Guys, now it's my turn. Guys, this is so boring, so we're about to be right back.